Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we're whipping up a delicious and savory breakfast bake using Phyllo dough, perfect for those lazy weekend mornings or brunch with friends. So let's dive right in. To start, grab your sharpest knife and carefully cut the Phyllo dough into bite-sized pieces. Don't worry about precision here, we want those rustic shredded edges. Now, let's layer our ingredients. Start by scattering half of the shredded Phyllo dough on the bottom of an oil-greased baking pan, followed by half the amount of melted butter. You'll find all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. For the second layer, we're adding a burst of flavor with some colorful bell peppers, briny olives, and your favorite cold cut. I've opted for delicious pastrami. Top it off with a generous sprinkle of grated cheddar cheese. Now, repeat with the remaining Phyllo dough and melted butter for that perfect crunch in every bite. In a mixing bowl, crack in 2 eggs, then add milk, salt, black pepper, and baking powder. Whisk until everything is well combined. Now, pour this egg mixture evenly over our layered ingredients in the pan, ensuring everything gets a good soak. For our final layer, let's mix up some more cheddar cheese with vibrant bell peppers and olives for that extra pop of color and flavor. To finish it off, sprinkle on some fragrant thyme, sesame seeds, and black seeds for that extra aromatic touch. And there you have it. Our savory Phyllo dough breakfast bake is ready to go into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden and puffed up. Our savory Phyllo dough breakfast bake is hot out of the oven and ready to be devoured. Subscribe to Heaven's Kitchen for more mouth-watering recipes like this one. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, happy cooking!